Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
If you guys have a Ford Lincoln or Mazda 3.5, 3.7 engine, guys, and you're replacing timing chain, okay, timing chain, guys, and you have 3 chains, stay with us, guys. We're going to share the timing marks and all that stuff with you. That same engine, guys, it's been used on Ford Mazda Lincoln. Okay, it's developed together with Mazda, so you can expect to find this engine on Mazda CX-9, Mazda 6S, Ford Flex, Fusion, Taurus. Okay, you can find it on Ford Edge, Ford Explorer even. This is the timing chain kit, guys, here. And I recommend, if you're doing a timing chain, always get the whole kit. You can find this kit listed in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. Very inexpensive kit, guys, but do the job right, get the whole thing. Also, get a new pump. Okay, this is the pump. This is the water pump right here, but it's chain driven. So when you replace the timing chain, it will take you only extra 5 minutes to replace the pump. But if you have to replace the pump in the future and you don't replace it now, you're done, guys. You have to do the same job twice. Now, the whole video, guys, okay, from start to finish, replacing chain and all that stuff, can be found on Auto Repair, guys, okay, our main channel right there. Check this thing out, guys. It will be on this channel. So, now let me explain about the timing thing, guys. Doesn't matter if it's Ford, Mazda, Lincoln with a 3.5 engine or 3.7 with a single variable timing gear like that. This is it, guys. Now, this is the video just about the marks, not about replacing the chain. The chain video I said will be, you can find it on our channel. Now, the new chain, it has a gold link here, guys. Okay, that's the little chain. And that gold link needs to match that tooth. Okay, you can see with the dot. Okay, like this one. Then you have one tooth on the back side. The engine needs to be a TDC point with the timing tooth installed. Okay, I'm going to remove the tooth so I can just show you here where that dot is now. But, okay, right here you have another dot. And that dot needs to be matching, okay, this gold tooth right here. Okay, and you have the same thing on the back side of the engine there. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, this thing I need to move the cams a little bit, but okay, it's out of the way now. So you can see that. Okay, that dot here with this gold tooth, and then you have one on this side. Okay, right there. Once you're done with all that, guys, okay, you need to set the outside timing chain. This is the outside timing chain. You can see this is your water pump. That's why I told you need to replace it now. And you have one tooth here, guys, with the gold link matching. Okay, that dot. One over there. And then you have one on the crankshaft. Okay, let me just focus here a little bit. Perfect. This one right here. Engine and TDC, timing tools, everything here, guys. You can find everything listed in the description of the video below. You can see where we got our timing tool from for a really good affordable price. Comes with a nice case, the kit and the water pump. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.